Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, so considering all the weakness that is here happening on the chart, we need to adjust here a little bit the forecast for the wave 2 that we have on the chart here in yellow. Overall, here we came up here in a wave 1 and then we are coming down in a wave 2 in purple. Yeah, so 1 5-wave move, then ABC. It's a 3-wave move within the wave 2 in purple. Then I said, we can give it the benefit of the doubt for a potential breakout. And we have already possibly done here a wave 1, which was an impulsive move up, and a wave 2 to the downside, all within a wave 3 in purple. Because the next wave 3 should be a bullish move up. Yeah, it should be a strong move up. However, this is of course the bullish count. This is basically the exploration if a bullish breakout can happen, and yeah, at the moment we can say it is all still very valid and the breakout to the upside is possible and can of course happen. We just need to be aware that unless we go above this 23.3k level, it is just not high confidence. Yeah, it is not high confidence. We need to be very much aware that we could at any point in time just make a lower low. At the moment, it is just this possible turnaround phase. And of course, there is a possible trend change going on. It's just, does the market use the chance or not? Because all the requirements for the correction for Bitcoin are complete and it could now start to move up. This is sort of the bullish wave count, the opportunity. But in here, I told you yesterday that this here was a 7-wave move to the downside, which is a corrective move. However, since then, we also haven't seen any strength really in the market. And so far, I think we can adjust this a little bit, assuming wave 2 isn't finished yet, that this is just a long sideways move, which would suggest there will be another leg down. So basically, what we probably have here is just a WXY pattern that we talked about before on other cryptocurrency charts, WXY, yeah, where we had here in this move here, we had an A, B, C. This was a triangle pattern. Talked about it yesterday as being an unfolding triangle, and the wave B was the triangle. Then here dub A, B, C in the wave X, and then A, B, C here in the wave Y. Should ideally go a little bit lower, but as long as, and that's the sort of breakout point, as long as the wave here remains below wave X, which is basically the breakout point, above 19,623. I mean, I said before, you've got a bit of a zone here going on. Yeah, but key level here is 19,623, plus minus a few dollars, where if we go above that, yeah, then we can be certain that the wave Y is actually complete already. Okay, so this would sort of be the decision point and the point of evidence in the chart where we could say, okay, the wave Y is finished. From here, then we could move up to the next key resistance, which is at 20,400 pretty much. Here, that wave 1 high where the candle closed. And then we've got here 20,900, which is the wave 1 high with the wick. And then we can get here to this resistance area, need to get above 21,700. And then this resistance area, this is the most relevant one. This is the most important one, which ideally should be broken within the wave 3 in purple, going all the way up to 23.3k. So summary is, at the moment, I would look for lower prices until we go above the wave X high. And then we can look for a breakout. Then we can look into something more bullish, because this would be a possible breakout point. Until then, we have to assume prices are still going lower. Basically, signal that wave Y is finished would be a breakout above wave X. Then more bullish and more confidence we can get above the wave 1. And I think a larger rally is going to unfold if we go above this resistance area. Should we make another lower low, which would be below here, this level, below 18,600, it would not look good for Bitcoin. It would not look good for the breakout point or breakout scenario. And then we have to assume that we will get down to the 17.5k level. So this is a key support at the moment, yeah. So anybody who is going long, I mean, if I was going long here, speculating, I would probably set a stop loss somewhere below, somewhere below the 18.5k level, which is here, sort of 18.6 is the support level, but I always would want to set it a little bit lower. On the other hand, you know, if we go below that level, then we'll probably get down to 17.5 and might even break it to the downside, which would invalidate this whole bullish move. Looking at this from a bearish point of view is also absolutely possible. That is why it's so difficult at the moment. That is why we can currently see this both ways. There is always a bullish and a bearish scenario anyway. At the moment, however, because we have completed the requirements for the correction, at the moment the bullish scenario is also quite likely. However, until we see price confirmation above that 23.3k area, my view is that we have to assume primarily still lower prices. It's just the only way, because we haven't really broken any structural levels to the upside, which means we haven't really broken any key resistance yet. And therefore, what we're doing here could already be the early stages of a wave 5 down, would explain the lack in movement to the upside at the moment. But we can explain it both ways, unfortunately. And therefore, we just need to look at the key support and resistance levels that get broken. At the moment, we are sort of in this in between space, and we just need to be a bit patient. And I guess the next sessions will show which way we are heading. Okay, so, and in this bearish scenario, of course, I showed you before, key level, and that is really an absolutely substantial support level, would be that 16.9k level. That 16.9k level is the 78.6% Fibonacci level, and absolutely highly relevant. So first of all, I would expect here a bounce from there, or at least major support. Okay, that's my view about Bitcoin at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.